Good morning, it is June the 10th. We are just off of Lake Arrowhead in Clay County. Today I'm going to be testing out this new mower. It is called a Pabreak, some Chinesium mower. I've done a few upgrades on. I put, right here I've welded a 3/8 inch skid shoe on the front and the back. It seems to be well built for Chinesium standards, but we're going to give it a test today and see how it works. So stay tuned, we're going to get the equipment unloaded and get started. Review about the Pabreak brush cutter for the skid steer, and it's worked well. I have not asked it for its life, but I have cut some pretty good mesquites. It's probably 3.5 4-inch mesquites with it in a spot or two, and it seemed to handle it fine. I do like the 6-foot cut. I've done well. I did find some barbed wire up here at the gate entrance, and I had to cut that out. This really slows down productivity. Tip for anybody that's doing this: keep an angle grinder with you, cordless angle grinder handy with you. I didn't have one, had a set of side cutters. It'll get you by in a pinch, but an angle grinder would have had me up and running in about 5 minutes. It served its purpose well, and hopefully in another job or two it'll have paid for itself. And it's still spinning, still cutting grass, so I would call that a success. Thanks for coming along, and we'll see you down the road or down the trail somewhere.